Hello, my name is Muhammad Bilal. I have a background in English language and literature, which has really helped me build strong communication skills, not only spoken but also written. I can speak English in two accents, British and American. I know the structure and the formation of a language because my major field is English. As I have already told you that I have a background in English language and literature. Apart from these things, you will learn the accent and the right pronunciation. Accent is the third thing. First thing that how you make your sentences, and the second how do you pronounce, and third how do you speak, like in which accent do you speak. So accent is the third priority. But what you will learn here, you are going to learn tenses, articles, preposition, each and everything about English grammar. So you will not only learn how to speak, but also you will learn how to write. So in this video, I'm going to tell you something brief about preposition. So you will have an idea about my teaching method. Or it's not a fixed teaching method. I can change and adapt according to the student mentality. The first word of a preposition, that is at. So where you actually use at when you tell the exact time or a place, at the station, at the airport. So at the moment, wherever you are present, you use at with the place. And for watch time, hours, seconds, and minutes, you have to use at without thinking anything. Whenever you will see the watch time, use at preposition. And in preposition, you use for the calendar time for a longer period of time. For instance, for years and months, you use in. Always remember the golden rule. Whenever you see the years and months, it's a longer period of time. So you use actually in. In 2022, in 2025, in 2026. So similarly in February, in March, in April, in August, so you use like this. So another preposition, that is on, which is really important and where you actually use for the calendar time, that is the days and dates. Yeah. So for instance, on 3rd March 2025, on 5th April 2026, like this. So on Monday, on my birthday, on vacation. So you actually use on for the days. So my birthday is going to be held on this Monday. Okay, so use on like this. So in this video, you have learned the golden rules. This is just a demo. I can change the teaching method according to your perception. Don't worry about it. You will not only learn here speaking skills, but also you will learn how to write in a formal manner. So this is all about myself. If you want to know more about me, so you can consider me as your friend. We will learn together and grow together. Thank you for all.